Hi lovelies, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's Bakari's Cakes here and I'm super excited to have you guys here once again on my channel. So in this video, you guys, I will share with you all how to make these delicious yummy blueberry muffins. So if you're really interested to watch this video, I want you to sit back, relax and enjoy the video to the end. All right, so yeah, the ingredients here, I have my flour and I also have my sugar right here. I have the milk. Here's the liquid milk. Here's the ultimate recipe of the day, which is the blueberry. This one here is the lemon zest, which is the back of the lemon. And I also have in my eggs, the baking powder, and my melted margarine. So you guys as well use the butter, which is the unsalted butter or margarine. So I'm going to right now, mix my blueberry, mix it up with the flour so that it will not get sink, inside the batter of the blueberry muffins. So guys, I want you all to pay attention to this video and you can check for the recipe in the description of this video. And yeah, enjoy the video, you guys. And if you have any question, please drop the question in the comment section, and I will definitely, when I see it, I'm going to answer your questions. So after this particular baking soda, I added salt, just in case you get to that point of the video and you're wondering what I added. Okay, so yeah, this is it here. I'm adding salt into my flour. So guys, enjoy the video and I'll see you guys or speak to you guys much later. Okay. Please guys, if you have watched to this point of the video and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Support me by subscribing on the channel. Click the like button, turn on the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever I upload a new video here on my channel. It's very important to me if you like this video so that YouTube can actually recommend it to other people that are searching for this particular blueberry muffins recipe video. Okay, it really means a lot to me if you like the video. Subscribe, share and drop your comments. And lastly, I want to also thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. It means a lot to me. All right guys, enjoy the video. So I'm done with this, and it's time for the blueberry muffins to get inside the oven and to bake properly. Yes, so this is what the batter is looking like, you guys, just in case you're wondering. So I'm gonna bake this for 45 minutes. Very important to do this. And yeah, this is what our blueberries muffin is looking like at the moment. So soft, it's so delicious, you guys. I want you guys to try this recipe. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed watching and will you be trying this recipe. Type yes in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Stay joyful, stay blessed, and stay fabulous. And meanwhile, before I leave, let's see what the inside of this blueberry is looking like. This blueberry muffin looks like. You guys, it's so good. It's so delicious. Like, can you see what's looking like? The blueberries, everything is giving. Oh my god, I love this blueberries muffin so much. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and let me know if you will find this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.